Hello, and welcome to my channel. For this video I will show you how to make simple geometry in part program using Featurecam 2018. Please keep watching and follow the video. Let's get started. Hello guys, this is the continuation of my first video. So let's get started. Go to Home menu. Then you can select the features. In this tab, you will see the different features. But now I will select the face features, and then pick Next. On this tab, nothing will replace. Just pick Next. And also this tab, select Next. Nothing will replace on this tab. Just pick Next. Also in this tab, select Next, and select Finish. In this tab, select Finish Operation, and select Tools to be used. Then go to Spindle and Feed Rate parameter. And write Spindle Speeds and Feed Rate. Then Apply. Go to Coolant and select Coolant Flood. Then go to Milling tab, and check some parameters. Then select OK. Right-click then select the isometric view. Select Play button in simulation mode. Then select OK. The 2D simulation is running. Then select Simulation mode. And select 3D simulation. After that select Play button. The 3D simulation appear. Right-click then select Rotate. Rotate the part a little. There's no cut. I need to modify the location of the stock. As you can see, nothing happened on the stock. Press Escape to cancel the simulation. Right-click, then select Front View. To check the Z location of the stock. Zoom out to see clearly. Now, go to Stock, and select Properties, modify the Z location. I will put 2 mm, as you can see the stock will move upward. And select Apply. Right-click, then select Isometric View. Then hit the Play button, to simulate the facing process. Press Escape button to cancel the active command. Right-click, then select Top View. Now I will create the curves. Select Chaining and select Closed Curve. Pick the profile geometry then select Create. Select the inside geometry and then Create. And the last select the square and Create. Go to Part View and select the curve. You will see the Curve 1, Curve 2 and Curve 3. Go to Feature then select Boss. Then select Next. Select the active curve and delete. Pick this box and select the first curve, then OK. Select Next then write the height of the boss, and put the chamfer and select Next. In this tab, just click Next, Next, and then Finish. Go to Roughing Operation. Then select Tools. Put the Spindle Speeds and Feed Rate. Coolant Flood. Then go to Finish Operation, do the same thing, and also the chamfer operation. Continue following the video. Now hit the Play simulation mode. Go to Feature then select Pocket. Then Next. Deleted the Curve 3. Then select Curve 2 and press OK, and Next. Then continue watching the video for the next step. Do the same thing, by answering all parameters. Selecting of tools, putting parameters and so on. Continue watching the video. Now I will do the small square island at the center. Simply just clicking the pocket properties, then select island, then select the curve, select OK and apply. Then select OK. Continue watching the video. Facing operation. Roughing, finishing and chamfering operation of outside profile. Roughing, finishing and chamfering operation of pocket island. Simulate again and checking the NC code. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have a question or any suggestion, just comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, to notify you for my new video. Goodbye.